you how to make tosai flour. Today I'm going to cook special tosai. Okay, let's see the tosai flour. This is a tosai flour. Yesterday I already blend, and today you see the thing is not. Hi friends, I want to do something special tosai. I want to do something special. This is the ingredient. This is a red chili, cut, Bombay onion, half teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, beans, French beans, carrot, one. This is cabbage. This is a cabbage. Let's see how I'm going to cook this. Okay, friends, I'm going to cook. Okay. Okay, friends, ready. Beans. We have carrot. Because I'm cooking and I myself taking the video. My daughter got online class. I don't know what this lockdown, what to cook. So bored every time we cook the same with the coconut chutney, with the tomato chutney. So I thought, why not do something different, special? Again, the cabbage. Okay, friends, must add some salt. Salt is how much you want, okay? You need to cook so much. Don't cook too long. We don't want the vegetable overcooked. Okay, friends, I'm going to add some garam masala. This is called garam masala. We have like half teaspoon. Okay, this is the garam masala. Half teaspoon. Just add. Okay, done. Okay, the flour you have to mix it. Mix, friends, mix well, and don't add some salt inside. Okay, we have to separate. Water here, you have to add some water. You don't add water here. The big container. You have to take a bit and you have to add the water. Okay, still a bit thick. You can add some more little bit water. Friends, tosi must have this oil. We have to. Then we need onion because you have to put like that. Okay, after I show you all. I show you all the oil. So you have to evenly do. Have to apply the oil evenly here. Let it be hot. Okay, the water I have to sprinkle. Then your tosi won't be stick to the pan. Be careful. Take 2 spoons. 2.5 you can take. Yes. Circle and circle. You make it round. Okay. We put some butter. Put some butter. My daughter want to eat today special chocolate tosi. Your children might love it. This. You see friends, very easy. So just roll it. It's hot, be careful. Yeah, this is our chocolate. Yeah, this is a chocolate tosi. In about second tosi. Children might love it. Some children don't like it with the chutney or curry. So children's just give for the children's favorite. Okay. Now we're going to put those children like blueberry. Just give them some blueberry. It's a blueberry tosi. Okay. You can add more. My favorite is blueberry, friends. Okay. Roll this also. Okay. This is blueberry. Yes. Butter just put a bit only now. So we making this is honey toast. those love honey tosai? Yes, finish. Okay, friends. I want to show you something new. Kamu bawa di now we are going to doing something tomato. Pizza dosa. You can see every time the curry make something different. Vegetable. Now I showed you all how to cook. Yes. Okay. You can make chili sauce also can, no problem. So we're going to put Parmesan cheese. You can use chili sauce. For a while. You see, friends, so nice, right? Okay, we can eat now. Yes. Hi, friends. Pizza tosai. You all must try something new because lockdown we don't know what to do. Every day you do the chicken curry, chutney, coconut, tomato. So we must try this one. Okay, let me cut. So we cannot cut so much. Still hot. Okay, it is too thin. You can put it thicker flour. So let me eat. Toasted pizza. All of you try, please. Very nice. Make sure all of you try. Now lockdown. Do something new. Make sure we like it. Okay, today my daughter going to eat the toasty. How is it, my dear?
It's very delicious. You must try this recipe. Thank you, Mommy, for making this delicious breakfast.
Oh, you enjoying? You love this? How is the honey tosai? How is it, honey tosai?
It's so nice.
Really? You like it? You think all the children love it?
Yes.
So now is the blueberry. How's the blueberry?
Yummy.
Really yummy. So always you want this?
Yes. It is very delicious. Thank you, Mommy, for making this wonderful breakfast. If your children doesn't like curry or gravy and stuff, you can make this recipe for your children. It's very yummy. All mommies at home, do try this recipe for your children. I am sure they will like it. I always eat tosai with curry or chutney, and I like chutney and curry, but this recipe is very delicious. So, mummies at home, please give this recipe to your children. I'm sure they will like it. And don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe to my mom's channel.
This is my neighbor children, twins, friends. So say hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
What's your name? What is your name?
And you?
So they are trying special tosai, chocolate tosai.
How the taste?
How it
Nice.
is?
See?
Can?
Mm.
You want to? Alright. You can see? How the chocolate tosai? Nice? You like it? Say yes.
Yes.
Oh, they like it. You ever eaten before tosai?
I think roti canai only lah.
Oh, first time they are eating tosai.
Yeah, I think.
Hi friends, see their first time eating tosai with the chocolate flavor. Children normally don't like much curry, all this. They like something sweet. So you make like this, sure they'll eat. So you have a special. They love it. You want some more the chocolate? You want the syrup?
I think enough.
Enough?
Enough.
I know these two babies from newborn.
Yeah,
We are shifted here. They also shifted earlier than us. So they came to new house. They have had two twins. They are very clever girls. They are already 5 here. 5 years old. 5 years, 3 months. Maybe next time you want to eat tosai? Next time you want to eat tosai? Come to auntie house.
Huh?
Want to eat tosai? Enjoy. Auntie want to make some more. You want blueberry tosai? You don't want? You like chocolate? This is friends, children. We are very happy to see children eat. So parents also will be very happy. Go out. Just ask the shop to do. Lockdown, I don't know what to do. This is my something new. I always want them to come here. But lockdown, we cannot come. So they're eating only. They're taking out their mask. Then now they're eating. You try. Enjoy. Try your new recipe. Your children love it. And see how they're eating. You like it. Did them enjoy? You like it? Okay, start.
Nice tosai.
Nice tosai. Thank you, Auntie Sheila.
Okay.
Okay, lovely bird. Okay, friend, my daughter asked something for this cheese also. Yes, sprinkle. Yes, yes, I finished. You can do so many varieties. That's great. See, friend, the cheese already melt. Okay, sprinkle. Let's see. This is pizza tosai.
Hi friends, just now I ate chocolate tosai, blueberry tosai, and honey tosai, and now I am eating pizza tosai. So let's give it a try. Scared the thing, bro. It is very delicious. I usually eat Domino's pizza or Pizza Hut, but now that my mom made this pizza, I would love to eat this pizza more because it is more healthy. So everyone who is watching this video now, please try this recipe, and if you like it, comment down below and subscribe to my mom's channel. This is very amazing, so yummy. Everyone who is in my age group or younger or older, you can ask your mom to try this, to do this recipe for you, and I'm sure you'll like it. See you all with another delicious dish with my mom. Bye for now.
Okay, friends, see you all with another delicious dish. Okay, say